What's up, dude? I'm John Boy. We got a YouTube channel, Boosted Behavior. We seen this and we're like, we gotta talk to that dude. What is it?
It's 62 Econoline.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what it looked like when you got it? It looked like that, or was it?
No, it was stock. It had 144 cubic inch motor, 80 horsepower.
Oh gosh.
It had more blow by than it had exhaust. I couldn't keep up with highway traffic.
Yeah.
And in order to do that, it became this.
So you LS swapped it?
Yeah, I mean, I get a lot of crap from the Ford guys,
Yeah.
but I wanted to go fast.
So you LS swapped it, then it, I guess, bagged it.
Yeah, it's got a tube frame front to back.
Wow.
Mustang 2 front suspension, 4-link in the back.
Yeah. Dude, cool, dude. And you body dropped it?
Yeah, body dropped it
Dude,
about
it is
5
all.
inches.
Golly. So did you pay somebody to do all that, I guess?
Oh, no, I did it all myself.
Gosh, that's unreal, dude. I love it. So where you from?
I'm from Verde, Texas right now.
Cool. Heck yeah, dude. Well, we want to look at it for sure, but I got a question for you. Can we ride in it?
Hell yeah.
Oh, dude! That is awesome. I know we just met, but I think we've just become best friends, man. Hey, let's take a ride. Welcome back to Boosted Behavior, baby. We're going to ride the LS swap van. Big tires in the back, freaking body dropped. Oh, wow. This thing is awesome. Oh, wow, Joe, look. Look at the motor. It's even cammed up. LS swap, baby. Holy cow. Don't get no cooler than that. Oh, watch it slamming. Oh, yeah. Have you ever slept in this thing?
Oh, I sleep in it all the time.
You are kidding me.
Yeah, my seat folds out to a bed.
Yeah?
It's comfy.
That is so awesome. Oh, yeah, I feel her going up now.
Yeah.
Dang, dude.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're ready.
Let's rock and roll. So, does this thing got overdrive in it?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it cruises comfortably 80 down the highway.
Wow, that is so cool, dude. How long have you had this thing?
I've actually owned it twice. When I fixed it up the first time, I had a diesel truck. I scattered the transmission, and I had to sell this to a buddy to get my truck
pay
back
for
on
it?
the road.
Yeah. I get that.
About 5 years later, I begged him for it back.
Wow.
Then I cut it up and did all this.
That is cool, man. You're definitely talented. You done all this. No joke.
Well, I'm just too cheap to pay somebody to do it.
Yeah,
so,
heck yeah.
I get on YouTube and learn how to do it.
Yeah. Are you going to leave it like this? Or are you planning on painting it? Or what's your plans for it?
Yeah, I'm painting it.
Wow.
Just having fun driving around.
Heck yeah, I love it. I love it just the way it is, dude. Hey, I want to know what that is on the mirror.
This?
Yeah.
Well, that's the little raccoon bit.
Oh, you're kidding me. I don't even want to know no more.
You ever drank
God.
Moonshine?
Yeah, no, I haven't. But I know a lot of people that does.
Well, if you drink Moonshine, You probably drank a little moonshine over a coon penis.
Oh my God! you are making that up, right?
No.
Oh no!
They use that to direct the flow
Oh
into the jar.
jeez!
That's the throwback to my family. They're all from Kentucky.
Oh cool! So they was moonshiners?
Yeah,
That's
well,
awesome.
moonshiners, horse thieves, I don't know.
Yeah. I love it, dude. Yeah, baby. Dude, awesome ride. I appreciate it. It's definitely the coolest van I've ever rode in, man. I love it. Have fun with it, dude.
All right, thanks,
Heck
man.
yeah, later.
See ya.